Hi, and very welcome to How to OneNote. My name is Ulrika Hedlund. For years, I've worked as a productivity advisor, helping users get more value out of technology. On this site, you'll find a collection of videos where I show you how to effectively use OneNote in real-life scenarios. If you're distracted by the ads, you can access all of our content ad-free on businessproductivity.com or on numerous course and video platforms such as Udemy or Vimeo on demand. In addition to the videos you see here, we also produce storyals, story-based tutorials that organizations can purchase to help their employees work smarter using modern collaboration tools like Office 365. Visit storyals.com to learn more.